Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, classmate. I am Junilito Alolor, reporting Marketing the Goods. Marketing the Goods companies saw chances to benefit from doing good and began using it as marketing strategy. Nag-refers ini siya to the promotion and sale of tangible products that can be seen, touched, and owned by customers, such as food, clothing, and electronics. The goal of marketing goods is to create a connection between the products and the consumer. Its features, benefits, and value to drive sales. Example, Apple effectively market its iPhone as specialty goods by emphasizing innovative features and premium customer service, creating a loyal customer willing to pay a higher price for their product. And the two marketing strategies. Cost marketing is a strategy where a business partner with a non-profit organizations to promote a social cause, enhancing brand reputation and driving sales while reporting a good cause by aligning with a cause companies and increase customer loyalty, improve brand image, and ultimately boost sales. And number 2 is a social marketing. Social marketing use marketing principles to influence behavior for the betterment of society, often focusing on issues like health, environment, or social welfare. Example, anti-smoking campaigns, like those run by CDC, use social marketing to discourage smoking and promote public health, often featuring graphics, image, and persuasive message to change behavior. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.